Are you looking for the best acrylic bathtubs? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best acrylic bathtubs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Carver Tubs AR7242 Acrylic Tub. The Carver Tubs AR7242 is a modern 2-person rectangular drop-in bathtub made of high-quality acrylic with reinforced fiberglass, measuring 72 to 42 UX 20.5 and holding up to 77 gallons of water. Designed for a luxurious and comfortable bathing experience, it features built-in armrests, sloped backrests, and ample deck space suitable for deck mount faucets, though drains, overflows, and faucets are not included. The tub's Whirlpool system includes 12 adjustable jets with a built-in heater and thermostat to control water temperature, targeting stress points in the legs and back for a soothing massage experience. Its slip-resistant bottom ensures safety, while the polished finish and soft curves provide a modern aesthetic. Installation requires a drop-in setup with proper structural support, and electrical access is needed for the motor and heater, which must be ventilated to avoid overheating. This spacious and stylish tub is ideal for 1 or 2 people, offering a luxurious soak with modern features. Number 2, WOODBRIDGE 54 Acrylic Freestanding Bathtub. The WOODBRIDGE 54 is an acrylic freestanding bathtub, model B006, with brushed gold drain and overflow, is a stylish, modern soaking tub measuring 54's LX2838 to UX2878H and with a capacity of approximately 55 gallons. It is crafted from high-gloss white lucite or acrylic reinforced with ashland resin and fiberglass, giving it durable construction with a glossy, easy-clean surface. The design features a non-slip bottom, double-walled insulation for better water temperature retention, and a stainless steel bracket system rated up to about 1,000 lengths. Its contemporary aesthetic is complemented by gently sloping lines for comfort, and the brushed gold trim for the drain and overflow adds a luxe accent. While the size is compact enough for many bathrooms, it still offers a deep soak. The tub complies with industry standards, CSA B45.517 IAPMO Z124 2017, and comes with a 1-year limited warranty against material or workmanship defects. Number 3, FerdY Tahiti 55 Acrylic Bathtub. The FerdY Tahiti 55 Sheer Acrylic Freestanding Bathtub is a modern, elegant, oval-shaped soaking tub measuring approximately 55.31 inches long at 30.91 inches wide x 2343 high, with a water capacity of about 61 gallons. Made from 100% high-gloss white acrylic reinforced with fiberglass, it features double-walled insulation to help retain heat for longer baths. Designed for comfort, the tub includes a gently sloped lumbar support, a center toe tap drain in brushed nickel, and an integrated slotted overflow assembly. Its ergonomic design accommodates 1 or 2 bathers, while adjustable leveling feet and a step-by-step installation guide simplify setup. The glossy, easy-to-clean surface is durable and environmentally friendly, and the tub is CUPC certified with a 6-year manufacturer warranty, offering a luxurious and practical addition to any modern bathroom. Number 4, Empava Freestanding Bathtub. The Empava 59 is acrylic freestanding bathtub is a contemporary oval-shaped soaking tub measuring approximately 59.09 inches long at 29.53 wide x 2638 inches high, with a water capacity of about 45 gallons. Made from glossy white acrylic reinforced with fiberglass, it offers durability, stain resistance, and an easy-to-clean surface. The tub features a gently sloped ergonomic interior for full-body relaxation, a non-slip flat bottom for safety, and a pre-installed brushed nickel drain and overflow assembly for convenient installation. Designed as a freestanding standalone tub, it complements modern bathroom aesthetics while providing a luxurious and safe soaking experience, and it is CUPC certified with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Number 5, WOODBRIDGE 71 B0017 Acrylic Bathtub. The WOODBRIDGE 71's acrylic freestanding bathtub, model B007MB, is a modern, elegant soaking tub measuring approximately 71 inches long x 31.5 inches wide x 28.38 inches high, with a water capacity of about 60 gallons. Constructed from high-gloss white lucite R acrylic reinforced with ashland resin and fiberglass, it offers durability, a sleek finish, and excellent insulation to keep water warm longer. Designed for comfort and safety, the tub features a non-slip bottom meeting ASTM standards, gently sloping lines for ergonomic support, and a sturdy double-walled structure with a metal bracket supporting up to 1,000 pounds. It comes with a solid brass matte black drain and matching overflow, is easy to clean, stain and scratch resistant, and complies with CSA B45.517 IAPMO Z124 2017 standards. This luxurious freestanding bathtub combines style, comfort, and practicality, and includes a 1-year limited warranty against defects in materials and workmanship.